In today's video, I will walk you through how to add option chains in Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Robinhood Legend through the official Robinhood platform and go to your workspace where all your trading widgets and tools are managed. Once you are inside the platform, look for the Add Widget option on your screen and click on it to open the widget selection menu. This menu contains all the available tools you can add to customize your layout. From the list of widgets, find and select Option Chains. After selecting it, the Option Chains widget will be automatically added to your workspace layout. Once the widget appears on your screen, move into the Option Chains panel and focus on the stock selection area. Here, you can search for and choose the stock symbols you want to monitor. Click on the stock input area and select the stocks you want to follow so the widget can load the relevant options data. After selecting a stock, the Option Chains widget will immediately update and display the available options information for that symbol. If you want to track more than one stock, repeat the same process by selecting additional symbols within the widget. Each selected stock will be added so you can view multiple option chains directly from the same workspace. The widget will stay active in your layout, allowing you to return and check updated options data whenever you need. You can also continue organizing your workspace by adding more widgets alongside option chains if required. Once everything is set up, your Robinhood Legend layout will show the option chain data you selected, ready for monitoring and analysis.